Welcome to Ren-kun Online. Click the subscribe button below so you won't miss any video. Let's get started to our review and unboxing session today. Hi guys, I'm Ren-kun and welcome to Ren-kun Online. And thank you again guys for joining me for this particular episode of another review and unboxing of My Hero Academia Funko Pops. Now, for this particular episode, it's about girl power again because as you can see in my previous video, as you can see here in my the two shackles that we've previously reviewed, and for this episode, we'll do another review of another girl character in the series, which is Mei Hatsume. Well, she's not one of the more famous characters in the anime. She's one of the more support characters that you see, but she's quite an amazing character if you actually watch the series. Now, Mei Hatsume is one of the characters that you actually sort of grow to love because in the anime show, she's the one who actually creates gadgets for the 1A heroes, and I think this is specifically for Deku, and I'm pretty much sure that Mei Hatsume might have a little bit of a crush to actually on Deku. I don't know, but yeah, that's what I think. But let's try to have a first look on the overall packaging of the Mei Hatsume My Hero Academia Funko Pop number 681. So let me just try to put that in front of the camera, guys, and it's a Hot Topic exclusive in this particular Funko Pop that I have. So, as far as overlooks concerned, I would say that it's really good that they put Mei Hatsume, the full name of the character, and the glam shot of her wearing her goggles. That's really cool. And let's now try to pry open this particular box. So. I don't want to ruin the box or anything, so yeah, that's this safe. Put it there. Now, okay. This is really quite nice. I mean, can you see here? I mean, one thing I actually noticed first is the skin color of the face. I mean, the color of the face is really quite light, which is something that's quite different from what I've seen so far in some of the Funko Pops. So it may be because of the pink coloration of the hair, I guess, that adds a little bit more lightness of the color. So that's really cool. Now, oh my god. Now, the goggles, guys, it's really quite detailed, as well as I don't know what some gadgets that I actually see here, but it looks like horn, but I don't know. It really is quite detailed. I love the coloration, and I think one of the things that I actually quite love about this particular Funko Pop is the shoes, which is really quite detailed, and the coloration. The texture is really quite okay. So if you could see actually the shoes here, it looks like skates, but I don't think it functions. It functions as a skate now. I think it functions as similar to the squirt, I guess. That makes her go fast, or to everyone actually wears it, I guess. And she has this sort of belt mounted on her waist. I don't know if this is supposed to be a jetpack or such, but it's really cool. The UA uniform is also quite astounding. What I also like about this particular Funko Pop is the way she poses. It's as if she's trying to move forward using perhaps the gadgets that she's wearing. So that's really cool. So I'm just gonna try to make her stand on her own first, and I think she's quite stable on her own. But I just found that the Funko is a little bit heavy on the upper side because perhaps of the gadgets that you actually see on this portion, the goggles and the horns. I guess, I mean, that's the only way I could actually describe that. But let's just try to see more detail of the Mei Hatsume Funko Pop here. So it seems like also that her shoes or foot is actually shot on this, shoes that you actually see on this particular Funko Pop. So yeah, and this is also one Funko Pop that I really got excited also. So that's really cool. That's a good indicator of a good Funko Pop if it really gets you excited. So now let's try to give Mei Hatsume Funko Pop a grade. So as far as overall look is concerned, I would say that I would give her a 10 out of 10 again. Why? First is because of the glam shot that you actually see here, and the detail, the level of detail in the glam shot. Look, if you could see the detail of the glam shot here, you could see the UA uniform, the hand posture. It's something that you actually see and is consistent with what you see in the actual Funko Pop. So, which is really quite amazing as far as the overall look, which eventually makes me give the detail a higher score, and I would give her, as far as detail is concerned, because of all the things that we actually seen here, also a 10 out of 10. This is one of the more detailed Funko Pops of the BNHA line I've seen so far. So I wouldn't fault her for anything. Now, as far as Rarity is concerned, I would consider this particular Funko Pop a rare Funko Pop. This is not something common that you see. It's something that's not available all the time. So I would say that this is a rare Funko Pop. So, yeah. So what do you think about this particular Funko Pop, guys? And what do you think about Mei Hatsume? Please put them in the comments below, and I would love guys and girls to interact with you. So, yeah. And do you have any favorites so far as Funko Pops are concerned? I mean, please put them in the comment section below. But for today, thank you for joining me, guys, for another review and unboxing, and I would love to see you next time. Bye!